Hi, welcome to an Autocad 2023 video tutorial. Another basic part design exercise, and that would be that antenna base mount. And I did it very similar, so I made a sort of sketch and then a revolve. And of course I've added a circular pattern. All very easy to do, so let's have fun with AutoCAD. Okay, let's go for a top view. And this is strange, it's on perspective. I want to have it, of course, parallel. I need a line on my sketches layer. I want to go for a polyline which starts at 0, 0. Then it goes 40 to the right, horizontal. Then it goes 12 up, vertical. Then it goes 20 to this side. Then the next point should be at -6, column 23. Then it goes 42 up. Then it goes 2 in that direction. And then it goes up -5, column 20. And then it goes up 10. Okay, now I want to snap here, so like this, and then close it. That's for the sketch, and now I can make a revolve. So let's switch to revolve, select the closed polyline, right click, enter, and use this 2 endpoints as reference for the rotation axis, and it should be, of course, 360 degrees. Let's switch from wireframe to maybe realistic, like that. Okay, and put it onto a different layer on our solid plus layer. Great. Now for the holes I want to use cylinders, therefore I have to change my axis system. I have to rotate it around the x-axis. So let's select it and rotate it around the x-axis. And the default would be 90 degrees. That's okay. And now I can do my cylinder. So go for a cylinder. Maybe switch the layer first. Then go for the cylinder. And that cylinder should be at 30 column 0. The diameter should be 11, and the length might be at least 12, so I want to go for 15. That's okay. Now I need 4 instances, so I want to go for a polar array. Select this one, right click, and the center point for that array should be 0, 0, and I want to have 4. Now you could disable associative, or if you don't do it, you can explode the pattern later on. So I want to go for non-associative, close that array. And now I want to remove those 4 solids from that solid. Because I've set my dull object variable to 0, there should be, or there might be here 2 of those solids, because the original one is not deleted. Just for your notice. Let's go for this one. So this one should be removed of those. Right click. So there's one left. Let's take a look. As I've already mentioned, I have 5 instances because my dull object variable is set to 0. but I'm done anyway. So I hope it was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please leave it a like or leave a comment. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You could follow also me on Instagram, Facebook, GrabCAD, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.